Hi friends, welcome to Go Veg Kitchen. Today let us see how to prepare raw banana as well as hyacinth beans palya. Now let's see the ingredients. I have taken 1 big cup of unripe banana, 3 to 4 green chilli which I have chopped, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon jeera and asafoetida, then few coriander leaves, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 small cup of Channa Dal, hyacinth beans that is 1 small plate, few mustard seeds, 1 small cup of onion which I have chopped, 1 small cup of roasted peanuts, 2 spoons of ghee and 1 teaspoon crystal salt. Now let's grind few ingredients. First I am adding soaked Channa Dal which I had soaked for about 1 hour, 3 to 4 green chilli which I had chopped, 1 small cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of jeera as well as hing, 1 small cup of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon turmeric, and finally 1 teaspoon of crystal salt. Now let's grind all this first. Before grinding, add 1 small cup of water. Let's grind it. Cook our ingredients. Make sure to even cook the ground mixture. First I am placing the ground mixture, then unripened banana as well as hyacinth beans which is called as Avarekaalu in Kannada. Allow it to cook for about 2 whistles. After cooking our ground mixture, let's powder it. Let's start preparing our palya. First I am taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee. Then few mustard seeds. Few groundnuts. One diced onion. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Next I am adding the ground mixture which I had cooked and powdered. Fry it for some time. Next, let's add our cooked unripened raw banana and hyacinth beans. Fry the contents well. I am not adding salt as I had already added while grinding. It's almost ready now. Now our unripe raw banana palya is ready. I have served it with palak chapati, that is palak dry chapati. We can also have it with normal chapati as well as even with puri, dosa or even with rice. It makes us an excellent combination with any of these. If you like our video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.